Just a little quick video here. It's Monday the 22nd, January 22nd, and we're on a blizzard. It's, goats really don't care what day it is. Sunday, Saturday, holidays, your birthday. They still gotta eat. So even with this blizzard out, I'm out here feeding the goats. I've got a baby goat that the mama didn't want him, so I gotta feed this little guy. So it's really not that cold, but it's windy and it's snowing and it's just kind of crazy. Gotta let this little guy out for a little bit. So all the goats are piled up in here. They don't want to go outside. It's kind of sucky. But even got the chickens running around in here. My dog and the baby goat, the bottle goat there, they're pretty much buddies, so every time I come out here, he wants to come out here with me. Anyways, I want to show you a little bit of what's going on outside here. Originally, when I built this little deal here for them, it was for the cows. I had 2 cows, and it worked great here because the opening is big enough. But now I'm thinking I gotta make this a little bit smaller because I'm not planning on getting any more cows. And it seems like the snow, when it drifts this way, kind of just gets in here like that. So I'm thinking I gotta do a little bit of changing up here. But anyways, if you guys take a look at this, it's I'm not even out of the doorway here. It's kind of sucky. So beautiful Nebraska weather. Yeah. Oh yeah. We didn't even get much snow this year. Well, last year I guess I should say. I think we only got two a little bit of snow, and it seems like this one's trying to make up for it. It's all right. Originally we were expected to get I think 12 to 18 inches, and I think they dropped that down to 8 to 10. So, but with this wind blowing, it just makes it kind of miserable. Can't really do nothing out here. I don't know, it kind of sucks. Anyways, got a little bit of milk here. Carter, stop eating the goat poop. Carter, stop eating the snow. I think we're gonna bring some hay in here for the goats, so that way they don't have to go out here. I think this ought to keep it from going outside, getting wet. Sorry guys, making all that noise, but that ought to keep some of the snow from coming in. Got a mixture of all kinds of goats in here.